Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus. What are the messages for you and what's going on? The world with 5 of cups. Some cycles between you and your person are going to be end. For some, new cycles are going to be begin. I think for some there is separation between you and your person. 5 of cups, you are feeling sad. For some, you are in no contact situation. If you are in relationship with this person, this is on and off connection. Yes. So let's see our reading recent past. King of Wands, Page of Wands, and 9 of Cups. I think in past everything was okay. You stand by your power. You are taking your control back. You are very passionate towards your work and especially towards this connection. You have a lot of passion and there was message between you and your person. In past there was communication, and for some you both have age differences between both of you. I think in past everything was okay. Then present 10 of Cups, 9 of Swords, and 8 of Pentacles. I think there are some commitment issues between you and your person, Aquarius. You are feeling anxiety, depression for something because 9 of Swords energy is here. This is very negative energy. And 10 of Cups. I think you want this happiness from your person, but it is not happening. That's why maybe you are feeling anxiety, you are feeling depression. And 8 of Pentacles. So you are very committed to this relationship, but there is no equal give and take. That's why you are feeling like this. For some, you started focusing on your career. Yes, you started focusing on your career. Then future, the High Priestess, the Empress, and 7 of Swords. You started listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition, and you are taking your control back. You are focusing on yourself. You want to stand by your power, because in past you are in energy like depression and anxiety. You don't want that energy anymore. That's why you started focusing on yourself. Someone is sneaking this connection, playing games with you. 7 of Swords energy is here. Definitely false communication, miscommunication, lies involved in this connection. Maybe your person playing games with you. Yes. Maybe your person is hiding something from you. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or very, very less earth energy. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you, Taurus. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So let's see your person feelings first. I think there are some disturbances, fightings between you and your person. They backstabbing on you. Maybe they cheated on you. For some third party situation also involved in this connection. Now they are also missing you. 9 of Swords energy. They know there is no equal give and take in this connection. Maybe you only the person always taking care of this relationship. Now they realizing your worth. And 4 of Swords. Now they are healing their self. They are thinking about you a lot. They're thinking about equal give and take. And yes, there are some disturbances. They're thinking about how to resolve the things between you and your person. So let's see their intentions. Nine of Wands. Right now, your person is not talking to you, but they're thinking about collaboration with you. They want a partnership with you because Three of Pentacles. They want reconciliation if you are in separation with this person. Right now, they're undergoing some tower movement. They are missing you so much, Taurus, and they're undergoing spiritual awakening process. They're seeing everything in detail right now. So the Hermit with Four of Swords. Yes, they are seeing everything in detail. They isolated themselves from all and thinking about this relationship or about their life very seriously. And Three of Pentacles energy, definitely they really want to work on this relationship. They really want to offer equal give and take. Yes, lot of thinking is going. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Again, Five of Swords with Ten of Wands, Empress. Maybe for some kids also involved in this connection. One person have kids. So Five of Swords with Ten of Wands. Lot of disturbances between both of you. Right now your person feeling overburdened. That's why they are healing themselves from these issues. They are undergoing some transformation also because they are feeling overburdened. They can't handle it anymore because the Tower moment and Five of Swords energy. I think you are holding back, Taurus. Temperance. Yes, you are restoring the balance within yourself. You are patiently waiting, not making any move. You are holding back. Yes. And Six of Wands under the deck. You are getting recognition for your hard work. You are getting success, especially in your career. You are creating more money. Six of Cups. You both are thinking about each other a lot. For some, there will be a chance for reconciliation. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Six of Cups with Judgment. Definitely decision making. You both are going to make some major decision regarding this relationship. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. But you both are thinking about each other a lot. But you are holding back. You are patiently waiting. So the messages says, I realized my mistake. I am crazy about you. Long distance relationship. Retreat. All I want is you. So the messages from your person and are trust issues. I realized my mistake. I am crazy about you. Long distance relationship. Retreat. All I want is you. So these are the messages from your person and take what resonates and leave the rest. Yeah, definitely they are crazy about you. They're realizing their mistake. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. Retreat. All I want is you. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Taurus. Step out of your comfort zone. It's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. So if you are thinking about this person or about this relationship, it's time to release all those negative thoughts and negativity in you. Especially when full moon in Scorpio. Because sometimes negative thoughts also creates resistance in this relationship. And step out of your comfort zone. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, you are dreaming about something, but you have to step out of your comfort zone and do hard work consistently. So These are the messages for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.